So first we want to connect with the server machine. Here we should log in with Oracle. Sorry. First of all, we log in with Oracle applications. So here we should give the username and password. My username is demo90 and 123456 is my password. Now go to system administrator, and here what is the navigation we should follow? Yes. Then here we have a navigation, security, responsibility, define. So already in last class we completed the request group. Okay, this is the fourth step of registration steps. So directly we enter into the responsibility window. If in case if you close this one, we don't need to worry. Just go to this navigation and we open the responsibility window. So here we can give the our responsibility. So up to now, how many responsibility we know? System administrator, application level. Same like we are going to create our own responsibilities. We are going to create our own responsibility. Why? Because we want to run the report. Up to now we register the report, right? So finally we want to run the report. If you want to run the report, definitely we need to require responsibility. Okay, without responsibilities we can't possible to run the report. That is the reason first of all we want to define a responsibility and we'll be going to attach our request group to this responsibility. So what is the use of a request group? Request group. It is a collection of concurrent programs, right? All concurrent programs are there in request group. That request group will be connected with the responsibility. Automatically responsibility is access that concurrent programs and will be possible to run the program. Then now I want to create a new responsibility. Here, suppose say example demo 90 responsibility. Demo 90 responsibility, and application is here. Again here also we have a application field. This application field is clearly tell to us where exactly you want to create the responsibility. But most important is executable and a concurrent program window. Interview point of also they are asking what is the difference between executable application and concurrent program application. But they don't ask any question on this responsibility and request group. And request group means where exactly we want to create the request group, which application. And responsibility also which application you want to create the responsibility. Now I want to choose purchasing. Okay. The next here we have a responsibility key. Responsibility key is one of the unique one. It should maintain always unique data in our database. Okay. It does not allow the duplicate records. Suppose say example now I am giving 901. Then next here we are giving the data group is we have only two groups. In that one we can choose always standard only. Data group means it is a collection of menus. Okay, different applications is there, that menus will be there. Okay, and next we have a application. Okay, again here we are going to specify application is purchasing. Next here we have a menu field. Okay, but right now we don't have any menu. So for that purpose here we should give the starting menu, root for profile link. Defaultly you can choose this one. Okay, I will explain to the next coming classes. So what is the menu, how we create the menu, and where we can go to create this menu, what is the use of menu also, that all will be discussed. But defaultly we should use which menu? This IAS root professional. Every person you should use that menu only. Menu means is nothing but a structure. It is a collection of functions. Okay. The next here we have a request group. Observe this one. First of all I want to create it, save the records. Then automatically this field will be going to freeze it, and this responsibility name at any point of time we can change it. Okay, then once we completed the transaction from front end, so we want to find out back end. So what is the base table? FND responsibility TL. Then let us check it whether it is created or not. FND responsibility and where responsibility name like demo 90. This is our responsibility, right? And here observe this one. It is a responsibility only. In this responsibility table we don't have any request group ID. We don't have any request group ID. And also we have one more table, FND responsibility. Here we are using the ID equal to 66080 responsibility ID, right? But here we are going to find out request group ID, but still we don't have. Why? Because we didn't attach our request group to this responsibility. Now we want to attach it. What is our request group? Demo 90 request group. Okay, now click on OK, save it. Don't give this one. Okay, just we want to save here. Once it is completed, and we'll be check it whether that request group ID will be applicable or not. Automatically it will be reflected. Okay, at any point of time we can change the request group, okay, from the front end application. Observe this one. Any point of time we can change different request group also. Now this responsibility is possible to run the several programs which are attached to this request group. How many concurrent programs are there? That all three programs we can possible to run from this responsibility. From this responsibility. All of you clear? Okay, here. So that request group, what are the programs are there? These are all programs we can possible to access from that responsibility. Why? Because that responsibility is attached to this request group. Okay. So in this point of time you should develop a one assignment. All of you clear? So here this is the way we are possible to define a new responsibility and attach our request group.